Hello everyone, this is New God from New God X. Welcome to my channel. I have recently finished playing R.I.P.D. the game. This game is based on the movie with the same name, R.I.P.D., starring Jeff Bridges and Ryan Reynolds. It's a beat-them-up style game, also called shoot them up or survival mode style. Basically, the player has to survive enemies that comes in waves. Once a wave is finished, the player is given a chance to upgrade their weapons, and then the next wave comes in, just like Killing Floor 2. Anyway, so in this game, you can play as the two lead characters in the movie. I have seen the movie and it was not that good. Probably worth watching once. The game has 7 maps. Each map has 4 waves. In the final wave, you have to fight and defeat a boss. You can arrest or execute the boss once he is weakened. The level design of this game is okay. This game is from 2013. It's a 11 years old game, so graphics are not a point of consideration. Still, the game looks decent. The weapons are not good at all. I ended up using only 2 weapons, an assault rifle and a harpoon gun. Rest of the weapons were not that good. Since there is no story mode in this game is replayable. But honestly, it gets repetitive and boring after a while. Once I have played through all the 7 maps, there was nothing interesting in this game left. Since this game don't let you explore or even has a story mode, it's a third-person shooter. The gunplay is just regular, not good, not bad. The final boss fight in Tower is also same as the other levels. There is nothing special about the final boss fight. The player can't use any explosives such as grenade, but the enemy does use grenade. The player has a grenade launcher, but it's not really that effective. You need a direct hit to make good damage to the enemy. The player can carry only 2 weapons at a time and can use a chain gun which is dropped by an enemy after being defeated. It would have been better if they would make some objects destroyable. It would be a good addition to the gameplay. I play all games with cheats so that I can enjoy the game to maximum without wasting much time and energy on the game. When I was playing this game, I was thinking maybe they can make a Marvel's Blade game similar to this. A Blade game is in production and it's FPS, I believe. Anyway, so the movie R.I.P.D. has a prequel named R.I.P.D. 2 Rise of the Damned. It's set in Old West. A game set in Wild West certainly sounds cool, especially with ghosts and all. The movie itself was bad. If you have not played this game, then you can try this once. Although once you have played all the maps 2 or 3 times, there is nothing else to do. The replayability of this game is not high. You don't get new things when you play it again, unlike some games I know. In my personal review, I will give this game 2 out of 10. In any case, this is New God from New God X. Live a long and wonderful life. And I will see you in the next video.